In this video, we're going to look at how to read information from line plots. So let's take a look at our problem. Ted surveyed some people to see how much money they spend on gas each week. The results of the survey are shown in the line plot. So we have some questions that you might be asked about the line plot. So first, what is the minimum? So the minimum is the lowest number in your line plot. So in this case, that lowest number is going to be over here, and it's halfway between 10 and 20, so it's 15. So our minimum is 15. Our maximum is the largest number. So that largest number is that final dot, so it's at 85. So 85. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest, and we saw that was 85 minus 15. So our range is going to be 70. The mode is the number that occurs the most. So in this case, we can see which of the dots go up the highest. So this one has 2, this one has 2, but this one goes up by 3. So it's really the tallest column of dots, so it's at 30. So the mode is 30. And then the final question is how many people were surveyed. So in order to figure out how many people were surveyed, all we have to do is count the dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there were 11 total people who were surveyed.